Swati Tirunal in the raga Ahari Talam set to Mishra Chapu. The performers are Arya Parvati and Devananda Mahesh, presenting to you Padam Panimati Mukhibale.
Panimati Mukhibale Padmanabhanil Panimati Mukhibale Panimati Mukhibale அந்த மடையாளமே நன்னாய் போகதையும் நாரே ரத்னமே பங்கோ அன்ன பாலாதியில் அன்ன மடையாளமே நன்னாய் போகதையும் நாரே ரத்னமே பங்கோ मनसे दूसरमैयो मदन गगननिंतो मदिराक्षी लोक वासीकर्तिल लोभनीय नाम हिंदू लोक वासीकर्तिल लोभनीय नाम हिंदू क्यों मातम सुमुखी തരുന്നതെന്തും ഏകാന്തത്തിൽ എന്നോട് സാകം ചെയ്ത ലീലകൾ ഏകാന്തത്തിൽ എന്നോട് സാകം ചെയ്ത ലീലകൾ ആകവേ മമകാന്തൻ അശുഭത മറന്നു ഏകാന്തത്തിൽ എന്നോട് സാഗമോ ചെയ്ത ലീലകൾ ആകവേ മമകാന്തൻ അശോകത മറന്നു മനസി ദുസരമയ്യോ മദന കദനമിന്ദു മദിരാക്ഷി മദിരാക്ഷി
After treating our eyes with that wonderful Mohiniyattam performance by Arya Parvati and Devananda Mahesh, we now move on to the second piece of today's Kala Sanjay. The second piece is on Lord Shiva. It describes the dance of Lord Shiva during the Pradosha Samaya. It is also talking about the Nandi who plays the Mridangam and Lord Ganesha who's playing the Natwangam as Shiva dances in his all glory. It is in Raga Purvi Kalyani and Tala Adi, composed by Padmacharan, choreographed by Dr. H. Ashalata Guruprasad. Presenting to you M. Madhu. Thank you.
प्रदोष समयदि परशिव तांडव प्रदोष समयदि परशिव तांडव प्रदोष समयदि परशिव तांडव प्रदोष समयदि परशिव तांडव परम मंगल कला महोत्सव प्रदोष समयदि परशिव तांडव परम मंगल कला महोत्सव प्रदोष समयदि परशिव तांडव परम मंगल कला महोत्सव प्रदोष समयदि परशिव तांडव पर्वत नंदिनी दिव्य गायन पर्वत नंदिनी दिव्य गायन पर्वत नंदिनी दिव्य गायन परवशनाद परमेश्वरन परवशनाद परमेश्वरन परवशनाद परमेश्वरन पर्वत नंदिनी दिव्य गायन परवशनाद परमेश्वरन प्रदोष समयदि परशिव तांडव परम मंगल कला महोत्सव प्रदोष समय समयदे परशिव ताण्डव ಕೈಲಾಸವೇ ಧರೆಗಿಳಿದಿದೆ ಕುಣಿಯುತ್ತ ಕೈಲಾಸವೇ ಧರೆಗಿಳಿದಿದೆ ಕುಣಿಯುತ್ತ ಕಾಲವೇ ನಿಂತಿದೆ ಕಾಲವೇ ನಿಂತಿದೆ ಕಣ್ಣರಳಿಸುತ್ತ ಕೈಲಾಸವೇ ಧರೆಗಿಳಿದಿದೆ ಕುಣಿಯುತ್ತ ಕಾಲವೇ ನಿಂತಿದೆ ಕಣ್ಣರಳಿಸುತ್ತ ಪ್ರಣತಾರ್ತಿಹರನ ಪದ್ಮಚರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ಬೆಳಗುತ್ತಿದೆ ಪ್ರೇಮದಾರತಿಯ ಪ್ರಣತಾರ್ತಿಹರನ ಪದ್ಮಚರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ಬೆಳಗುತ್ತಿದೆ ಪ್ರೇಮದಾರತಿಯ ಪ್ರದೋಷ ಸಮಯದೇ ಪರಶಿವ ತಾಂಡವ ಪರಮ ಮಂಗಳ ಕಲಾ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವ ಪ್ರದೋಷ ಸಮಯದೇ ಪರಶಿವ ತಾಂಡವ
After that wonderful Bharatanatyam performance by M. Madhu Ashrit Kumar, and before we move on to the last piece of today's Kala Sanjay, we would like to tell you a little about the School of Performing Arts and Indus Studies. We offer bachelor's degree and master programs in performing arts. We also have a part-time weekend courses where we offer diploma and certified programs in Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi, Mohiniyattam, Kathak, Odissi, Hindustani vocals, Carnatic vocals, and Indology at a basic foundation level. Just for a few hours on the weekends, you can immerse yourself in performing arts and Indus Studies. The last performance for today. Now we have Ipshita, who is from Journalism and Mass Communication Department, who will be presenting a solo song, which will be the last piece for today's Kala Sanjay. Presenting to you, Ipshita.
Hearts beats fast, colors and promises. How do we pray? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking fast, and when he talks slow. You come over and start a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now I take my hands, step, find a man in the jukebox, and then we start to dance. I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room. Now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. 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 Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. क्यों समझे ना बातें मेरी तू क्यों वेलर दी सूरत है सोनी सीरत तेरी बेवफा समझे ना इशारे किन्नी वारी मैं कहाँ तू आजा चल मेरे नाल नखरे क्यों कर दिया मैनू जचता नहीं किन्ना सवाल कर दिया ना मैं सुनता नहीं होर दस किन्नियां तारीफां चाहिदियां तैनू 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 Thank you.
With that, we conclude today's Kala Sanjay. We express our sincere gratitude to our Honorable Chancellor Sir, Dr. P. Shamaraju, our esteemed Vice Chancellor Sir, Dr. M. Dhanamjaya, our respected Registrar Sir, Dr. N. Ramesh, and our beloved Director, Dr. Vidya Kumari Ma'am. We would also like to thank the Sound and Lighting team, IT team, Media Center Branding, and admin teams for their unwavering support. Thank you for joining us today. We look forward to seeing you in the next Kala Sanjay. Subha Sanjay. Dhanyavada.